Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to scan QR code on YouTube using a QR code scanner app on your mobile device. Now, the first thing you need to do is find the QR code. On your YouTube video, some creators may include a QR code in their video description or as an overlay on the video itself. You can also find it in a YouTube comment. Viewers may sometimes post QR codes in the comment section. So after finding the QR code, next thing you have to do is open the QR code scanner app. If you don't have one, download a free QR code scanner app from your device app store. If you're using an Android device, download from Google Play Store. If you're using an iOS device, download from App Store. Next, you have to point your camera at the QR code. Open the scanner app and center the QR code within the viewfinder. Make sure the QR code is well lit and in focus. Next, the scanner app will automatically detect and scan the QR code. Once it is scanned, the QR code will likely direct you to a YouTube video, YouTube channel, or other web page. Follow the on-screen instructions to access the content. Now, note that some newer mobile devices may have built-in QR code scanning capabilities within their camera apps. If you're having trouble scanning a QR code, try adjusting the lighting or moving closer to the code. Now, note this feature is not available on all devices or versions of the YouTube app, so you may need to ensure your camera app is set to scan QR codes too. So by following these steps, you can easily scan QR codes on your YouTube and access the content they link to. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.